SOFI update on the 15th. Review of last video. I said we were going to come down here to 626 or go straight up here to the gap fill. It appears that we are headed to the gap fill. I'm expecting a slight pullback in the market, and then I'm expecting new highs. So that just kind of solidifies it even more that I think we're coming up here to this gap fill at 710. But after we get up there, I still think that there's going to be one more move down. I will be watching to see if we can break above this parallel line somehow. That would change my thoughts on it. But as of now, it looks very corrective, and that's kind of what I thought the whole time. It hasn't even invalidated the possibility of this being a 5-wave move. I think it's going to end up being ABC because we fill the gap, it's going to break into the first wave. So I still think it's going to be like that into probably October. This move might take all the way to the end of August. Just the way it's moving, it's just chopping back and forth. It's up a little bit, but if the market pulls back, maybe it pulls back. It could even do this. It could even do down here back to like 650 and then come up later in the end of the month. So I still think that this is going to break up here and hit 710 to 725, but I do think there's going to be a fall after that, along with IWM, and then I think after that you're going to see SOFI take off, and I think we can hit our targets. I think this could be the end. We've fallen far enough that could be the end of the B wave. Originally, I was saying that this falling wedge, A, B here, C up here, and then come back down. But with the cycle of where the overall market's at, it's at the end of the cycle. Like, for instance, on SPY, I think, I just did a video on that. I think that this is probably going to make a wave 1 here, end of August, pull back into maybe all the way into the election, but into October. And then after that, wave 3 into January or maybe early 2025, pull back and hit like 650. So I think that at that point, the dollar should be falling, and then that's going to be bullish for growth stocks. Yields will be coming down. And at that point, SOFI can finally take off. And we can finally hit our target, minimum target of like 15 bucks. So that's what I'm thinking over the next probably 2 months. This move can play out. Maybe it'll be quicker, maybe it'll be longer, but probably into October minimum, maybe into the election. We'll see. Either way, I think this gap gets filled, and then maybe fill this gap down here at 550. Probably going to fill that gap. Kind of seems like that's what they want. So that's my thoughts on SOFI right now. Let's see how it plays out. I'm expecting an immediate pullback on these two. It's possible, though, that QQQ could go all the way to 480 if it finishes above the 50 DMA. If that happens, then I would still say SOFI is going to go higher. I don't know how it's going to play out, but 710 should hit sometime in the next couple of weeks. That's all I got for right now. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I'll put out another video here soon.